Hi, I'm David, president of MedMart, and I'm here to help you with your mobility scooter maintenance. I have 5 easy tips to keep your scooter running all year long for years to come. These are simple, easy to do, that are going to get so much more life out of your scooter. Because these days, you can't just afford to be paying for repairs, buy new stuff. Let's get the most out of what you need, what you already have. We got easy tips and tricks. We've got maintenance guys that have been on staff for 20 to 40 years. They're experts at this. They have tons of great tips. We're going to help walk you through it today. Let's get into action. Tip number 1. Let me tell you the best way, the easiest way to keep your scooter running: regular cleaning. It's really simple. Try to avoid harsh chemicals. Use a damp cloth. Get all the dust, all the dirt and grime out in between the wheels, the seat, the joints, anywhere exposed that you can get to easily. That'll keep it from building up and causing issues with the motor or any of the other parts. So an easy clean, get rid of the dirt, get rid of any excess water or moisture. You do this once weekly, once every other week. This will help keep your scooter running smooth, and that way you don't have to call us for a new one.
Cut off your scooter. Use a damp cloth with very light water or very mild detergent.
Good.
This is a big shot. Does it have dust in there? Make sure to get all the nooks and crannies where the dust will collect. This would be a primary to make sure to get dust where the battery connections are. Keeping that where that area where the connection is clean will be key to keeping the batteries charged well and everything functioning well. Good.
Tip 2. David with MedMart here still. Now this should be tip number 1 because it's the heart of your scooter, but we're going to do tip number 2. The mobility scooter battery is the heart. It's the living, breathing thing that keeps all scooters running, and it's one of the most common things to go bad. You know how many people come in our stores or call our phones asking for a new battery because they didn't charge it properly? I'm going to do a general charging overview. When you're using a mobility scooter, you want to charge your scooter overnight, about every night, at least every other night. You don't want to charge it after every use, and you want to follow the specs for each individual manufacturer and mobility device. They might have their own rules, or it might be a lithium battery, it might be a lead acid battery. Different models, brands have different recommendations. Look up your scooter, call one of our experts today. We'll help tell you how much you should charge it and the specific needs. Keeping your battery strong, just like in your phone. The better you charge your battery, the longer the battery lasts, the more strength it'll have, the more longevity it'll have, the more stamina you'll get out of the battery. Take good care of your scooter battery. It takes good care of your scooter, takes care of your independence.
A bonus tip: when you're inspecting your scooter, you want to have a certified technician to be inspecting wires and the mechanical and wire parts of a scooter, but you can easily visually tell good wire, bad wire, bad wire.
Tip 3, also an important tip. One of the most important things with a mobility scooter: what do you ride on all day? You ride on your mobility scooter tires. So check the tread, just like you would in your car. Check that the tires are properly inflated, there's no punctures, the tire looks good to you from a visual standpoint. Do the penny test. Make sure that the tread is at least a penny deep, because that's going to help you get traction. That's going to keep you safe, and that's keep giving you the RPMs so you can rev your way through society.
Here's an example of bad, worn out tread.
Such
That tire is no good. This is an example of good tread. This is a brand new scooter, so of course the tread's going to be good, thick and deep. This is going to get you the traction. Properly inflated is key.
Tip 4, check your brakes. You can't get anywhere without stopping on the way. So make sure your brakes are working. Drive a little bit, give them a squeeze before you get out of your house. Testing your brakes can be one of the most important things for you. Maybe once a month, every other month, test your brakes, give them a squeeze, make sure they stop you. We'll get into a little bit more detail on that.
When testing the brakes, it's really easy. Take your mobility scooter in a level area and just hit the throttle and release. It just stops like that on a dime. Most mobility scooters have electromagnetic brakes for safety. You release the throttle, the scooter should stop. Remember, test that on a level platform and do it in a safe environment. Hit the gas and then stop. It should stop on a dime.